Today, I'll be working on a 2006 Scion XB.
The truth.
Alright, today we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter on the Scion XB. If you go with the frame brand, this is the cabin air filter part number. For the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up our glove box on the passenger side. I'm going to take the owner's manual out, but we're going to be taking this glove box all the way out. Alright, so next you want to partially close the glove box, and you're going to press in on the driver's side right here, and it's just going to kind of pop out. And then this side, there it goes, pops out as well. It's just got a couple like clips on each side of this thing, and they just clip in right down here. So next, just got these two little clips on either side. You're just gonna kind of pop them out, and the tray is slowly gonna come right out. Oh my gosh, and mine's all stuck in there. Hold on. Oh my god. So this is how mine came out of the car. Somebody did not clip this thing in properly, and they get clogged up in there. But yeah, let's get this thing changed out right quick. If yours was in there properly, it'd be seated all the way up underneath this. And it's gonna have these little clips. And then what you do to take it out is you're just gonna pretty much pull it all the way out, like that. Just give your tray a quick inspection as well while you're down here. Just to make sure it's not broken or cracked or anything. I have a little bit of the foam missing, but it's not gonna hurt anything. Alright, so you're going to do it so the airflow arrows are pointing upwards, and our little foam barrier is going to go along the top and the bottom, and you're just going to kind of set it in place, if I can get it, and that's going to go underneath these four little tabs. If you had the other style, where it's more of like a thin along the edge here, it's going to clip down on 3 along the top and 3 along the bottom as well. But now, let's get this guy in the car. You're just going to gently push it in, and then it's just going to clip into place. Maybe if I can get in, there it goes. And you're just going to give it a small little tug, make sure it stayed in there, and you're good to go. Alright, now with the glove box, we are going to line up these clips with these little clips here. So it's pretty much just going to set into place, and then we're going to get this little pin, where is it at? Right here, around this part right here. So once we clip it in, we're just going to press this in a bit, just so we can get around that, and then it should be good to go. You'll see here in just a second though. Alright, I know it's a bit of a quick video, but sometimes these jobs go pretty quick. But yeah, hope you guys got a lot out of it, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. If you like any of the background music that was in this video, check out the artist's SoundCloud, link is in the description.